Hey, if you want to hide active now or activity status on Instagram, here's a step-by-step guide on how to pull that off. So, first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and click our on our profile at the bottom right here. Okay. Then basically, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and we're gonna be able to have access to our settings and privacy. Right. Scroll a little bit down till you find how others can interact with you. Okay, and from here you're gonna be able to see the messages and story replies. Okay, and from here you're gonna see the option of who can see you are online, and click the first option here, and here it says show activity status. So if you want people to know when did you log in, or when is the last time that you actually been active on Instagram, if you want people to have access, or if you want people to actually see when was the last time that you were active on Instagram, you can just turn it on. If you don't want to, you can just shut it down. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.